Beautiful day up here at Castle Pass, snowshoeing February 13th, 2024. What a difference a year makes. Oh my God, there's snow up here, but nothing like last year. Up here with Joanne and John. Here comes a skier. There goes a skier. And anyway, like my beanie? I make these. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? I have a knitting machine. I whip this thing out in half an hour. Who wants one? But this is a test run and it's very warm. Very cool. And these gals here are backpacking in. They are heading to Peter Grub Hut to do, I guess, 1 overnight or 2 overnights? Just one. Just one. That's more than I'm doing.
But this is Scooter.
Is that my new trail name?
That's your new trail name, Scooter. From the bottom to her pointy little hat. She looks like the elf that's not the Christmas elf. This is Scooter Mendoza.
These are my hats that I make, so.
Yeah, so there we go. Nice hat, complete with the little pom-pom made out of rabbit feet or fox feet or something.
I'm kind of thinking I need to be
In our picture. Odin! Odin! I can tell. Oh, here comes the dog. I'm like, where'd the dog go? If it weren't for his pack, I wouldn't see him. Odin, Snow Dog. Odin, Snow Dog. Odin, Snow Dog. That's so awesome. tumbleweed. Ew. He lost his head.
Yeah.
He lost his head. Should we put it back? He lost his head, Joanne.
Oh no!
Yeah, it's right there on the ground.
I thought he was in there.
No, his head and everything's right there. Poor guy.
Looks like someone